Okay, I'm going to show you the IDE slot is empty at this point. I have a SATA 160 gig hard drive installed in the middle SATA, or in the SATA slot. Power supply and USB cables are plugged in. Going to perform a F-L on the Linux laptop, and it detects the 160 gig hard drive that's external, and also the 40 gig hard drive which is internal to the laptop. Now I come over here and I turn off the docking station. I'm going to insert a quantum disk drive. It's an IDE drive. None of the pins are bent. Plugging it in now. Turning the unit back on. As you can probably hear the disk spinning up. See the disk active light coming on. Come over to another F-L, and it only detects the 40 gig internal of the laptop. It's locked out the SATA drive that was in the unit. So what I'll do is I'll come over here, power off. I'll remove the IDE drive again. Power back on the SATA drive. It's coming up to speed now. To another F disk, and it detects the 160 gig and the 40 gig hard drive. This time I'm going to put just the IDE drive in place, and it will not work. It's followed the pattern all the time. Come back and turn it on. Hear the disk spinning up. Active light on the back. I'm going to perform another F-L, and it only detects the internal hard drive. I think it pretty much proves that the unit is not seeing the IDE drives at all, although the SATA slots are working fine. Thank you.